Hey everyone, welcome to Finding Joy. Today I'm sharing with you 3 super easy breakfast recipes which can be made in 15 to 20 minutes using less ingredients. So the first one is called Semia Upma, which is a typical lunchbox recipe. The second is wheat upma, and the last one is called Arasi Upma, or Arasi is rice in English. Upma is a very common South Indian dish which can be made quickly. So for making Semia Upma, I'm taking 150 grams of vermicelli and dry roasting in a pan. Once the vermicelli is slightly roasted, I remove from the flame, and in a pan I pour 1 tablespoon of oil and splatter 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of chana dal, half an inch piece ginger chopped, and 2 chopped green chilies. I toss everything gently and then add a sprig of curry leaves. I then add 1 chopped onion and saute for a minute. Then goes 1/4 cup of frozen or thawed green peas. Then for seasoning, I add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 7 to 8 broken cashews. Finally, add your roasted semia and coat the semia with the spice as well. Add some salt and 1 cup of water. Cover and allow to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and your tasty semia upma is ready to serve.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track.
You can have this with coconut chutney, and honestly, I remember having this in my school lunchbox at least once a week.
Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by.
So my second recipe for the day is wheat upma. In a pan, I take 1 tablespoon of oil and splatter 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds and some asafoetida and few curry leaves. Then goes 1 teaspoon of urad dal, half a teaspoon of chana dal, 2 chopped green chilies, half an inch piece ginger chopped. I toss everything for a while and add 1 onion finely chopped. I then add 1 cup of broken wheat and fold the mixture well. Add some salt and 2 cups of water. Let it boil and allow it to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes.
Understand, I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know
Finally, add 1/3 cup of freshly grated coconut, some chopped coriander, and your tasty upma is ready to serve.
To get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow. Oh, yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
The last recipe for the day is Arasi Upma. This recipe takes a little bit more time to prep compared to the previous two. So for this recipe, I'm taking 1 cup of raw rice, and I have washed the rice well at least 4 to 5 times in tap water. Then I spread the rice over on a clean cloth and allow it to air dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes before powdering it. I am going to grind some spices now. So in a mixer jar, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of tur dal, half a teaspoon black peppers, 1 tablespoon jeera or cumin, and I powder them. In the meantime, my rice has dried up well and I'm going to coarse grind it as well. In a pan, I take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and splutter 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds. Then I add some asafoetida, some curry leaves and 2 slit green chilies. Toss the spices well and then add the ground masala powder as well as the rice mixture. Season with some salt and pour 3 cups of water and bring everything to a boil, stirring occasionally so that there are no lumps, and then cover and allow to cook well for at least 15 minutes. The water would have evaporated and your upma is ready to serve. I usually like this upma with some tasty sambar. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching my 3 easy breakfast recipes. And please do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm also working on a beautiful video and I'm hoping to get it uploaded this week. So stay tuned and have a great day. Bye.